Alright, afternoon everyone. Sunday afternoon. So I went over and did that firewood yesterday. Wow. Me and Jason, he told me, well, let's do it when we get warm. We decided to run back. There was still this log here, which was a nice, I think it's just 7 foot, but that's pretty beefy. I'd say it's 20 inches across. And then this other one was laying in the woods. Had a little shitty limb on it, but other than that, it looked like there might be a few boards in it. I was gonna cut it up and bring it home anyways. I just decided to bring it home with the dolly. But so I don't got no weight on the back of my tractor because I just picked up a new 3-point hitch and a drawbar and stuff to be able to run my back blade for it this winter. Well, if we ever get any snow. This is weird. Usually we got a foot of snow. But, so I'll probably do a little video on that. I haven't even took it out of the box yet. Well, I had the drawbar, but I didn't take the 3-point out. It was just a cheapie. So, we'll see how it holds up. It's supposed to be the heavier, dutier one, but I think it was 25 wide and then 30 something with the pins or whatever. Because I think it's 6-inch pins off each side, but and then I figured I'd make a little adapter for moving my gooseneck around. But anyway, so gonna not do this oak right now. We'll probably do that tomorrow. I'll get Jason's help, but I've been kicking this around. I got a couple of these pine logs. You might have seen them about a year ago. It was a tree from out back, my tree. I'd like to try to get something more out of it, you know, than what I did. So I kept a few of those logs, and this one here looks like I might at least get a couple boards. It was in my way again today, so I figured we're just gonna throw it on the mill and see if we get a couple boards out of it. It's got a big hole down the middle, but I mean, I'm not too proud to mill up some junky logs, get at least a few dollars out of it. That thing there sips gas. I haven't sharpened it. I did a little bit the other day, then I hit some dirt, but this log's kind of dirty, so I wasn't gonna waste the sharpening, but it's fine, so we'll see what happens. everyone. So, I guess I didn't realize until earlier it was New Year's Eve, so I guess I'm gonna work my way up to the house. I'm glad I threw that log on, pulled out some really nice boards. I almost pitched it on the fire pit earlier. It got in my way, and I drove the tractor down here and I forgot to do it. And then I started trying to move those around to throw one of those on the mill, the ones I just brought home from the church today, and ended up not being able to move them, and looked at that pine and said, well, let's see what we get. So, but anyways, I'm just turning all these into like they're 3/4, so 3/4 by 12, and some of those will be 3/4 by 6 and 8, whatever I can get out of them, just for her birdhouse projects. So I figure she's been making them for the family. You know, she's her senior year in shop, so. But all right, everyone. So happy New Year! Thanks for watching, and have a great evening.